I have printed, how many did I print here? Okay, I have 15 of these. I made 15 because ultimately in the final edition I want 12. So I made 3 extras in case of mistakes. I also made an extra for this demo. So I've printed all of them in a medium light gray. I've got a little bit of color tone in there, but mostly it's just a medium light gray. And what I want to do is reduce the block to print a darker color over this. My ultimate goal here is anywhere I want to preserve this color in the print, I have to cut out of this block. Just like when we initially cut the block, anything that's cut out preserves the color of the paper. So this was cut out here on the cheek, and it preserved the color of the paper. So if I want to preserve this gray color, when I print the next color, I need to cut it out of the block. If I just printed this block in a darker color over this, let's see what happens. So I have a darker color here. If I did not cut the block and I printed, then all I've done is cover over that original gray. Now I'm not trying to cover all this, I'm trying to cover maybe the background and some dark areas. But I want some of this gray to show through. So if I want to print in a darker color and I want some of this gray to show through, I have to reduce the block. You can see how much I reduced the block. Let's look at the print. Bring it over here. So I cut away a lot of this. So anything I cut away is going to remain when I print this darker color over it. So let's ink the block and print it. So you can see everything I cut away reveals the print beneath it. So that is one reduction. And I think the next reduction will just be black, so it'll just be line work to add some accents.